Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine without yeast. Start by sanitizing all equipment and harvesting ripe fruit, then crush or press fruit to extract juice, measure sugar and acid, and proceed with natural fermentation using wild yeasts from fruit skins and environment. Monitor temperature and gravity, rack when clear, avoid oxidation, and taste often to judge progress, adjusting sweetness and acidity at bottling for balanced flavor. When relying on wild yeasts, patience and control are your best friends in the fermenting room. Keep the must covered with a breathable cloth or airlock and monitor bubbling as a sign of activity. Taste frequently and record changes so you can learn patterns for future batches. Avoid strong sanitizers around wild sources and be ready to adapt if fermentation stalls by adjusting temperature or nutrients gently and gradually. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read for anyone wanting smarter money habits, which pairs nicely with saving by making wine at home. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After primary fermentation, gently rack the wine away from gross lees and allow secondary settling for clarity. Use light fining or cold stabilization if needed, but handle gently to preserve aroma and delicate flavors. Taste before bottling and adjust sweetness or acid as desired, then bottle with a small preservative dose if you plan long storage. Label each batch with date and details so you can repeat successes and learn from experiments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.